Hi everyone, welcome to Infinite Tarot Triple Two English. So this is a pick a card reading. This is a timeless reading. You can see it at any time. And today we are going to see a question. How is your partner thinking and feeling about you? Will you ever be in a romantic relationship or not? So as you can see, there are three piles before you. There is a pink pile, there is a white stone, and there is a blue stone. So you can choose any pile that resonates with you, right? And you can just close your eyes, breathe for a moment, and then can see that you can fully resonate with or you are getting attuned to which of these three stones. So before starting with my reading, I just want to say all those who are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel, share my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe to my channel. So you can see there are three piles before you, three piles. And I also want to say this is a journal reading. This may or may not resonate with everyone. So you can pick those messages which resonate with you, and you can leave the messages which do not resonate with you. So this is a timeless reading, and you can see it at any point of time. There is no fixed time for this reading. So let's see how your partner feels for you, how your partner thinks for you, and what is the future, and will you ever be in a romantic relationship or not. So let's start with pile 1, and you can choose any pile, and the timestamps are given below. So you can directly go to the timestamps and you can see your reading. And so let's see what does the pile 1 say. So let's start with the reading of pile 1. Hi everyone. So let's see the reading for all those who have chosen pile 1, which is an orange color stone, as you can see, right? So let's see what does the messages say for you. What are the angelic messages for you, those who have chosen pile 1, or that is the orange color stone. Okay, so let's see the readings. Let's see the messages or the guidance that we have. The first card that you have is 5 of Pentacles. This is your first card. So we are going to take the question and we are going to see that what is your partner actually thinking and feeling for you. So the first card is 5 of Pentacles. Then you have second card, which is Ace of Swords. The second card is Ace of Swords. The third card is 7 of Swords. The third card is 7 of Swords. Okay. Let's see some more messages. Wow, then you have spiritual union. This is a very wonderful card, pile 1. बहुत अच्छा card है. A very nice card to have here. Another card is patience and planning. Another card is patience and planning. Okay, I'll just move it like this so that you can see all these cards. Another card is patience and planning. So let me keep it here. Patience and planning. Another card, if we see, that is foundations and achievements. Wow, this is also one of the best card to have in a relationship reading. So that's a wonderful card again. Okay, then we'll see the love messages later on. So let's first of all come to the reading. Pile 1, what I am getting the messages now, somehow your partner is feeling that they are lagging in the relationship. I can see that your partner is kind of not in a very positive energy, and I am also getting a feeling either he is in some kind of financial crisis, because you have got 5 of Pentacles. So either he is in some kind of financial crisis, or there is actually a break or a pause in your relationship. I can very well see that there is a break or a pause in your relationship, or there are some kind of struggles between your relationship, and your partner your partner is actually feeling that he is lagged behind, and or he might be getting a feeling that you have left your partner, right? I think he's getting a feeling that you have left your partner, or he has left you, and he's also feeling that there is some cheating inside the relationship. He might be getting the energy that he has been cheated on, and I don't know why, but I'm getting an energy that he's just feeling that you were not very honest with him, and he is just looking for a clarity. He's looking for although he wants to start a new beginning, and as I can see, he loves you a lot, but he is looking for a clarity, because we have Ace of Swords, so which is saying that he's looking for a clarity in the relationship, because he's feeling that there are some issues which are not yet clear, and he might be thinking about them a lot, and he also might be thinking like to just get away, or he also might be thinking he wants to be in a relationship with you, but there are some issues between you both for which he wants a clarity. And because he is feeling strongly, I am getting an energy, he is feeling that there is a cheating involved. And I can also see a lot of air sign in this. I can see that either you or either your partner can be, you know Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, or your partner is Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. And you both can also be earth sign, yeah. Or you can also be, Taurus or a Cancerian sign. Taurus or a Cancerian sign is also a possibility that I am getting here. Or you can also be any one of you can be Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. That's what I am getting, right? So that's what they are feeling. But if I talk about like how does he feel in long run, so definitely, he wants to marry you, he wants to have a solid foundation with you, he wants to marry you, and he really wants that you both should live together, and he wants to have a family with you. And you know what's the best thing in pile 1, that you both are actually soulmates. You both are soulmates because you have some past life connections with each other. You both are soulmates, you have past life connections. The only thing you both require is patience and planning. You require patience and planning. So with 7 of swords also I am getting the same energy, that instead of thinking a lot about that there is a cheating involved or there is a break in the relationship or the things cannot happen, obviously your partner is also looking for a clarity in the relationship. So you should go very patiently ahead, and that's what your partner is also thinking. He's also going to go very patiently, and he's going to be a very planned, he's going to come in a very planned way now. And if you are not talking, for some of you I'm also getting like you both are not talking to each other, there is a break in the relationship. So certainly your partner is going to talk to you and clear whatever there is a misunderstanding, and he'll go very patiently this time, he'll plan everything and then move forward. And definitely he'll give you a solid commitment. He is not just there, he's not thinking to time pass with you, he will definitely offer you a solid commitment, and he really wants to live with you, he really wants to offer you something a solid. He wants to start a solid foundation with you, that's for sure. Now let's see what are the love messages. Reconciliation. So see, I told you, for all those who are not talking with their partner, for all those who are right now not in the relationship, or for those who are like having a current pause or a breakup in the relationship, definitely there will be a reconciliation, because your partner is going to text you, talk to you and clear all the misunderstandings. And moreover, you both are having spiritual union. As I can see, these both cards indicate spiritual union, foundation and achievements. These are strongly indicating that you both are made for each other, you both are soulmates, and you have definitely past life connections with each other. Okay, let's see the next reading, that is forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in the present moment. So see, again I am getting the energies that someone needs to be forgiven and forgiven, and I feel it's you who is to be forgiven, because in your partner's energy, definitely he is feeling that he is cheated upon, and or he's just feeling that maybe you are not honest with your partner, right? And in some of the cases it can be that your partner is not honest with you. So whosoever is not honest with the other person, that person needs to forgive that person, needs to forgive that person, because you have a very good card of a new beginning. So definitely, if the things are not working out, if your partner is not talking to you, and if there is a break in the relationship, so you should try to forgive that, because you both are bound to be with each other. Whatever you do, how much you try to avoid each other, but because you both have a spiritual union, you both have past life connections, you are made for each other. So definitely you will come back again, you will meet each other again, and there is going to be a reconciliation for sure. So if you ask me that whether you will be in a romantic relationship or not, I would definitely say yes, because it's a positive reconciliation card. Codependency, addictions are affecting your romantic life. So see, again we have this card. So I feel some of you is into some kind of addictions, and maybe you are addicted to smoking, drugs or alcohol, I don't know what, but either one of you is in some kind of addictions, and that person is going to come with a lot of planning now. That person will be very planned, that person will realize the mistake provided you forgive your partner, and definitely it will be a solid relationship. So solid, when I say solid relationship or it will be a solid foundation, means definitely you both are going to get married each other. There will be a reconciliation, but before the reconciliation you both need to forgive each other. And if there are any kind of addictions, so that addictions should be given up, because addictions are strongly affecting your romantic life. Okay, so that was all for the pile 1. So if my reading resonate with you, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon, and also give your comments in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello pile 2, welcome to Infinite Tarot Triple 2 English. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And we are here with the reading of pile 2, those who have chosen this fish stone. Okay, so this is a shape of a fish and this is white in color. So we are going to see what your partner is actually thinking and feeling about you, and will you ever be in the romantic relationship. Okay, so let's see what cards you have. The first card that you have is King of Cups. Wow, that's a good card to begin with. You have King of Cups. Another card you have is Eight of Pentacles. Wow, this is also a good card. Then you have Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Then you have Firm Foundation. Firm Foundation. Then you have Light. Wow. Light card. Then you have Movement, Choices and Decisions. Movement, Choices and Decisions. Wow. So if I see the cards that you are having pile 2, so just let me see what your partner is feeling for you. The first thing that I can see is there is not a growth in your relationship. There is not a growth in your relationship, because the Knight of Pentacles is clearly saying me that your relationship is like standing on the same point where it was earlier. There is no perpetual growth, there is no significant growth in your relationship, and it might be possible that you both are either not talking to each other, or if you are talking, you have not been able to give each other a concrete foundation. You have not been able to commit to each other yet. That's what I am feeling is. Although your partner is not maybe your relationship is not moving ahead so fast, but one thing is sure, your partner loves you a lot. Now this was not there in pile 1, but this card strongly indicates that your partner is very emotional, is a very sensitive person, is very caring and nurturing kind of a personality, right? And he is on the verge of giving you a solid commitment. He is like he really loves you a lot, and he really wants you to be in his life, and he started investing lot of time on you. Like he is just planning, and he is really working hard. He's working hard on the relationship, but I don't know why. There might be some reasons that despite of working hard, despite of thinking about you a lot, and despite of trying to make you happy, the relationship is not moving ahead. But because this is your partner's energy, so we cannot talk about from your perspective, but definitely he is really investing his lot of time. He's really thinking about you a lot, and he loves you a lot, and he wants to offer you something solid, right? So this card, Firm Foundation, also tells us he is really very possessive about you. As I told you, he's really very possessive about you, and he doesn't want to miss you. He doesn't want to miss you. He really wants to catch you hold that you should not go from his life. He cannot, he doesn't want to make you go from his life. Okay, I've not talked about the signs also. So if I talk about the signs, so I'm feeling there's a lot of earth energy in this pick a card reading. So either you can be it is possible that you are Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn. There is a strong reading. And then either you can also be Scorpio or Cancerian, right? You can also be Scorpio or Cancerian. I'm also getting a feeling Taurus possibility is also there. You can also be Scorpio and Cancerian or Pisces, right? So your partner doesn't want to leave you. He is really very possessive about you. He doesn't want to lose you, and he really wants to offer you a solid commitment. As I already told you, he wants to offer you a solid commitment. He wants to settle down with you. He wants to settle down with you, but I'm also feeling that he is kind of confused. Movement, Choices and Decisions is telling me he's also confused due to something. Maybe he is right now focused on his finances a lot, because there's a lot of earth energy that I am getting, and I am feeling He is someone who is very authoritative. He is someone who is very hardworking. He or she, when I say he, it means your partner, he or she. Please don't mind if I'm using the word he. Your partner is very hardworking, and I'm also feeling that right now they are, concentrated more on their business or the financial affairs. It's the money. It might be possible that it's the money thing that they are more focused on. They are more focused on, because they are actually very ambitious also, and they are aiming for lot of prosperity in life. They want lot of growth in their life, they want lot of prosperity, and this not only in the business but also in the relationship. So they certainly want to marry you, and they really want to uh, they really want to give you that abundance. They really want to give you that abundance that they have. They want to be very prosperous, they want to give you a very happy life. But despite of this, they are confused. They are confused also. I feel they are confused. Let me take a card, clarify for this. Let me take a clarifier for this. So see, again the card is coming, Two of Swords, which is also telling me, which is again telling me that they are very very confused. They are not able to decide. They are very indecisive right now. Okay, then it is the Devil card. So I'm strongly feeling that your partner can be a Capricorn, or they can also be Virgo. They can also be a Virgo, or they can be Capricorn. And I'm feeling like your partner is right now, his energy, his or her energy is like very very materialistic energy. They are more getting infatuated and attracted towards power, lust, greed, money, wealth. So these are the issues. All the materialistic affairs is something that is taking large part of their attention. So let's again clear that what's making them confused. Okay, so then you have Temperance card. Temperance card. What's making them confused? Why they are not able to decide? Okay, and then you have Tower card. So see, that's what I told you, that they are right now very very confused. And although they are trying hard, definitely they are working hard to bring their life in balance. They are trying to bring a balance in their personal and the professional life, but I don't know why, but due to some reasons they are getting failed. Or maybe they have experienced some failures in the past, because of which they are very fearful this time, and they don't want to either lose their money, or they do not want to lose you. So right now they are not very flexible. They are very rigid on their stand, what I can feel. Let's see the love messages now. Let go of their control issues. So see, I told you the same. They are trying to control the entire situation. They are trying to control the entire situation a lot, right? They are trying to control their family life. They are trying to control their professional life. So right now their energies are like very very controlling. They do not want to lose anything. They are very very possessive. And similarly, it's also like they even do not want to lose you. They must be very controlling over you also, you as well, what I am feeling. So allow this situation to unfold naturally. So this is a message for them, that they should allow this situation to unfold naturally. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. So this card is also telling that your partner has already met the romantic partner that they seek. Next is trust. The situation is calling you to have faith. So ideally what they should do is they should have some faith in the entire system. They should trust their intuition. They should trust their intuition, and they should understand that there's a lot of good time waiting for them, and whatever they actually deserve, that is a solid foundation, prosperity, abundance, they are going to get everything in their life, right? And if I talk about that whether they will be in a romantic relationship with you, I would say right now it's not a very positive energy, because although they want to start a firm foundation, they want to start a new life with you, but this confusing energy is not letting them balance their energy, is not letting them get away with their control issues. So because of which there might be some pause. It depends, like there is some pause in the relationship right now. So we cannot say, like right now if I say, so it's not a very positive for your future relationship, this reading, right? But don't get disheartened. So let's take one card for the long term future. Let's see one card with what's your long term future in your relationship. See, long term future, Two of Cups. So अब आप खुश हो जाइए, just be happy now. So I just took one clarifier, that what's the long term future. So see, right now they may not be a possible They may not be able to give you a commitment, but definitely in long term now they will give you a commitment, and you both are soulmates, you both are bound to be with each other. So definitely it will be very very positive in long term. So just be patient and come out of this energy, and definitely your partner will give you a solid commitment once your partner is out of all these issues. So that was all for pile 2. If the reading resonates, please comment in the comment section below, and like, share and subscribe my channel, and do press the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi pile 3. So welcome to Infinite Tarot Triple Two. So for all those who have chosen this fish with this blue stone, so let's see what's the pick a card reading says for them. So it will tell us that what your partner is thinking about you, what he or she is feeling about you, and will you ever be in a romantic relationship or not. So okay, let's start with this reading. So the first card is Eight of Cups. Second is Ace of Pentacles. Another is Five of Swords. Okay. Next is Wisdom. So I'm getting a feeling either you are Leo or they can be Leo. I feel you are dealing with a Scorpio or Cancerian, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, or it can also be it can also be Leo, of course, but it can also be Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Gemini, Libra and Aquarius possibility is also there. Then you have Sacral Chakra. Then you have Sacrifice. Okay, then you have Sacrifice. So that was all about your reading. So let's see what's your partner thinking and feeling about you. I'm feeling that there is somehow some kind of emotional withdrawn. There is some kind of emotional withdrawn. I feel that there were some issues in the past in your relationship, because of which your partner is now completely withdrawn from your relationship, and he or she is like, moving for a higher purpose in the life. Like they have, mentally and emotionally they are detached. They might be, you might be getting a sense of detachment from them, and I feel that detachment has led to, opening of new doors in their life. It has led to opening of new doors. I'm strongly feeling that your partner is, lot into spirituality, because there's lot of spiritual vibes that I am getting right now. So definitely, and this blue stone is also, this is also the color of the third eye chakra. So definitely your partner is, moving for a higher purpose in their life. It might be possible like in the past there were some struggles in your relationship. Might be they were, kind of observing the people around them. They were, like full of questions. And I can also see that might be that ego was something that was coming in your relationship. There you might be having some kind of ego conflicts. And I'm also feeling that, he was kind of, observing the people around, and he or she, and there might be lot many questions that might be coming to the mind of your partner. And that why are the people like that, why are the people behaving like that, and what is the reason for people's behavior, something like that sort I am getting. And in search of all this, your partner has moved to the higher dimensions of the life. So this wisdom card is also telling, like there's someone around your partner who is the inspiration for your partner. Like there's someone, some senior person, some friend, some teacher, some spiritual teacher, or some guide, or some elder person in the family maybe, who is, really teaching a lot, or from whom your partner is, getting lot of knowledge, and because I feel he is moved into spirituality, and or it is not possible, it's not always that that's a person, it can also be some kind of books that your partner might be reading, some kind of online material that he might be searching on. So like, I can see there is a quest of knowledge inside your partner right now, and they are full of questions, and he wants the answer of that questions. And because there's a lot of craving for knowledge in him or her right now, he is moving for the higher dimensions. And this sacral chakra is also telling me that he's right now, he might be meditating, and he needs to balance his sacral chakra, because sacral chakra is a chakra for the emotions, chakra for sexuality, a chakra for balancing the emotions mainly, right, our relationships. So might be because something happened in your relationship which really hurt him a lot, and because of that hurt he is now emotionally withdrawn from your relationship, and he is like looking for higher purpose in the life. He's trying to find out the questions, answer for his questions. And your partner also might be meditating, and your partner needs to balance their sacral chakra. So sacral chakra is an orange color chakra. So might be through meditation the partner is really trying hard to balance the emotions, and if not, then they should try to balance their emotions, greed and sexuality, just to bring a balance in the relationships. Then you also have a sacrifice card. So sacrifice card is again telling me the same thing. Eight of cups with the sacrifice card is telling me that both are pointing towards the same thing, that your partner might have worked a lot of hard in the past times to for the relationship, but somehow the things did not work, and now the energy of your partner is like surrendered, right now your partner has kind of surrendered to the almighty, and he or she is feeling like the things are not in their control, and because even after working so much the things are not moving. And I feel recently they have moved into spirituality, something like that, and they have really sacrificed. Sacrifice means like they are really feeling, this is a strong thing in their mind that the relationship is not moving ahead from long time. And I am also getting the energy that you are in the relationship with your partner from quite a long time. It's not a short term relationship, it's a long term relationship. Or it is also possible that either you or your partner, you both were single from long time, and or everywhere like you are getting lot of heartbreaks, and there is breakup in there is conflict, or there is a struggle in every kind of relationship. I can see a lot of struggle in the in this reading. So there was a lot of struggles, because of which now your partner is like kind of surrendered it to the almighty. And now because there was like kind of frustration, there was kind of irritation because of the stagnation in the relationship, and now they have like kind of surrendered. Okay, let's wait, let's have a pause, let's have a break. And your partner really wants to focus on themselves now, so that they can get some knowledge, get some wisdom, find answers to their questions, and only then they would like to move ahead in their relationship. So let's see what are the love messages for you. Love yourself first. So I told you the same thing. Your self respect makes you more romantically attractive, so which is again telling that your partner is trying to focus on them first, because maybe that because they need to heal their sacral chakra, right? They need to heal their sacral chakra. So it might be possible that because whatever problem was there in the relationship was also because of them, because they are not full of love, their sacral chakra is not balanced, they are lacking some emotions in the life. And when we lack emotions, we cannot give it to other person also. So definitely your partner, the angel messages are that you need to love yourself first. So your partner needs to give some time to them first, love themselves first, and only then they can make the relationship better. Next is free yourself. It's time to take back control of the life. So I told you the same thing, right? And next, then it is very soon. So free yourself and sacrifice card. Both the cards are telling us the same thing, that sacrifice is not actually sacrificing anything. It's sacrificing any material thing, or what sacrificing is just surrendering. Sacrifice is sacrificing the control of the life, so definitely your partner has freed them, and they are taking back they have just let down or left the you know stop thinking about this and left it to the almighty, because it's the freedom which will give them the way to enlightenment. If they will surrender the things to God, only then they will find an answer to all that questions. Only then they will find the actual wisdom and the enlightenment that they are looking. Next, it is very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So see, it's again telling that whatever is the energy is like, whatever your partner wants to you, or your relationship of both of you will be healed very very soon, because it's just the fog that is in the mind of your partner that needs to be cleared down. And very soon your partner will be able to, after this, will be able to clearly decide that what it is that actually is required in the relationship to make it more meaningful and better. So this was a journal reading, and it may or may not resonate with you all. So just take those messages which resonate, leave those messages which do not. And if you want a personal reading from me, you can reach out to me at my email ID. Till then, bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.